before the snow video in Missouri. All right, here we go. You can hear the little crickling. Okay, winter storm and blew in. So, you know, I got the winter stuff on. The penguins up. Snowmen are still going and glowing. Oh, man. So much snow. See, that's the curb. And that's the... All right, here we go on the pro video so we can actually see what we're working with here. See, the net lights kind of got buried in the snow. So next year I'm gonna have to put them up a little bit higher. But lots of snow here. Lights go right into the snow. They didn't stop working though. They work just fine. Both sets. Buried away. There's Big P.